are paid by the public. The same public that we serve. We are here talking about limited resources. We are here talking about a very tight fiscal space. We are here saying we don't have money for development. We don't have money to buy you vehicles. Yet, court, you pay lawyers. They engage lawyers. But the one paying both lawyers on both sides is the same person, the people of Kenya. And it's not fair. It's very unfair to the people of Kenya that we are having a challenge in terms of revenue collection to get enough money to give services to the people of Kenya, to pay salaries, to make sure that every institution is fulfilling its mandate. Then, because we have a difference that is really not personal, I want to urge from this retreat that we all agree that it is not necessary for one office to take another to court and we hire lawyers to be paid by the public. I had a meeting with the KTDA and the Tea Board of Kenya, and some directors from KTDA took each other to court, and the lawyers are asking for 600 million, and this money will be paid by the tea farmers. Yet they were having leadership wrangles that have nothing to do with the tea farmer in Kenya. Yet, because they occupy public offices, it is those people who will pay. And I was telling the Attorney General, and it's something that we need to agree here and as a government, that many institutions have legal capacity. KTDA has lawyers that are paid at the end of every month, and they are competent lawyers. Yet, they go out there and get other lawyers from outside, and they commit public funds. So we'll be having a discussion that all those with legal capacity, they have no business going out there. I know that can put us in problems with the Law Society of Kenya, that we are denying them business. But what we are saying is, what is the use of you having a legal capacity? You have employed a corporation secretary with a legal department of 5-6 lawyers who are paid every month. And you employed them because they are competent. They are advocates of high court. They are competent to go in court and defend the institution. Then you commit millions of shillings belonging to the taxpayer to go out there in court. So I want to urge this forum, those session, I asked him to come because I know most of you have challenges with resource allocation. Those who have problems, let us use this forum. It's a good forum. My chief of staff is on top of things. She has developed a capacity under this space to receive petitions, complaints, concerns against whoever within the public space. And we'll be able to put those people together. And I'm happy that when we did that between the IG and the National Police Service Commission, many things are going on that had a problem. We'll be asking the Controller of Budget to sit with the Council of Governors. We will create that framework, because sometimes the Council of Governors feels that their work is being hampered by certain decisions. When we talk to the Controller of Budget, he says, this is the law. But there is a middle ground where we can all sit down together and talk. And there is no harm in talking. I have said many times that the community I come from has a saying that buffaloes don't move together in a herd because they necessarily like each other. No, it's because of the danger of walking alone. If you go to the Masai Mara during the wild beast migration, the beasts move in a very huge herd, and they never agree to be left behind. And the lions are just waiting for any one of them to be left behind. And the minute one of the animals have hurt its foot and is left behind, only 5 minutes, it is quickly taken away and it becomes meat. Let us work together. We don't have to like each other. It's not necessary. We have all been put together by the need to serve the people, and we serve the same people. The people the judiciary serves are the same the government of President William Ruto serves. They are the same people the parliament serves. They are the bottom line. And I think because of the people of Kenya, we can get synergy along the way and talk to each other. And there is no harm. And I have found when people sit together and talk, people are normally very reasonable. All the people in this room are very reasonable people. But when they don't talk, you stay in your own space and have your own views, you have your own way of looking at things, and because you have not had the benefit of listening to the other person, you take a prejudiced position. Let me plead that we use this forum in my office to solve all misunderstandings, all conflicts, all disputes. And I think it is possible because the few cases that have come to us, we have done. I have many complaints against SRC, as it should